Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier Gmail triggers for instant task creation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. Log in to your Zapier account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. In the trigger search bar, type Gmail and choose a trigger event based on your needs, such as new email or new attachment. Click on the Continue button. Connect your Gmail account by clicking Sign in to Gmail. Authorize Zapier to access your Gmail account. After successful connection, choose the specific Gmail account you want to use. Click Continue to move to the next step. Set up the trigger by configuring the necessary options, such as the inbox to monitor. Click on Test Trigger to confirm that Zapier can fetch your emails correctly. Once the test is successful, click Continue. Next, search for the app where you want to create tasks, like Trello or Asana. Select the appropriate action event, such as Create Card for Trello. Click Continue to connect the selected app. If prompted, sign into your task management app and authorize Zapier. Map the relevant fields from Gmail to the task creation options in your chosen app. Once everything is mapped, click on Continue. Test the action to ensure that a task. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Congratulations! Your Zapier Gmail triggers are now set up for instant task creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.